From the sacred house to Jerusalem, through the 7 heavens did he ascend, to the love divine beyond where or when. Send peace on him and his family. Balagha al-ula bi kamalihi, kashafa ad-duja bi jamalihi, Hasunat jami'u khisalihi, Sallu alayhi aalihi. Like a moon set sail on the heaven sea, through the dark night riding on the lightning-steed. The one born of earth strides the heavens field, and peace on him and his family. And the stars gave thanks and the moon did weep, as its beauty paled before the Hashimi. For what sun or moon can compare to him? Send peace on him and his family. Balagha bi kamalihi, kashafa ad-duja bi jamalihi, Hasunat jami'u khisalihi, Sallu alayhi aalihi. As his heart was strengthened and purified, and was filled with wisdom and light on light, so the wells of Zamzam he sanctified, and peace on him and his family. For the prophets Adam to Jesus Christ came to honor him and to pray behind, one from whose lamp they had received their light. And peace on him and his family. Balagha al-ula bi kamalihi, kashafa ad-duja bi jamalihi, Hasunat jami'u khisalihi, Sallu alayhi aalihi. And the gates of heaven, so high and strong, opened joyfully for the one called upon. And the angels sang, peace on you, welcome, and peace on him and his family. When Jibreel did falter, Muhammad rose, when no prophet nor angel may approach. So beloved to the beloved return, send peace on him and his family. Balagha bi kamalihi, kashafa ad-duja bi jamalihi, Hasunat jami'u khisalihi, Sallu alayhi aalihi. Balagha al-ula bi kamalihi, kashafa ad-duja bi jamalihi, Hasunat jami'u